In this module, you're going to build a fantastic full professional project using Node.js. You're going to use pure Node.js without having recourse to any Node.js frameworks. So this is going to be a brilliant opportunity for you to master a wide range of advanced features which come with Node. So let's have a look at our app and explore its different functionalities. So this is the landing page of the app. So when your users land in this page, they can see different folders and files which are located in a directory which you choose in your server. So they'll be able to explore these folders and read the different files inside them. So for example, if I click on that folder, I'll be able to see the different folders and files inside. If I click again on another folder, I can see folders and files inside it. So here we display the name of each folder or file, the extension of file as well, the size, and when that file or folder was last modified. At the top, you can see the full path of the folder or file. Okay. Relative to the home directory, which is the location of the directory that you choose in the server. So this directory home is like a static folder with static content which you are serving to your users. Now, if I click on a folder and then I click on a file inside it, then the server is supposed to serve that file and the browser will be requested or required to read the file for me. Now, if your browser is capable of reading the extension of the file or that type of file, then it's going to read it successfully. So if I click on this PDF file, then I can read the file on my browser. Okay. Now, if I go to another folder, for example, a folder containing images, then if I click on any of these images, I can see the content of the image. Okay. Perfect. Now let's try a folder where there are videos. Okay, so I can see that the video is being streamed. So by the way, here you're not going to be downloading the full video before showing it to the user. You're going to be sending chunks of data to the user as they are reading or watching the video. So to do this, you're going to need to use readable file streams, and that's a very important feature in Node.js, and you'll see how to do that in the project. Okay. Now, when you browse folders, you can see that we are showing here the full path of the folder or file. You can still click on any of these links and it will take you to the folder that you want. So if I want to go back to projects, I just click there and it takes me back to the projects folder. If I want to go to home, then I just click there and it takes me back to home. You can also read HTML files. So for instance, if I go to this folder and then click on index.html, then it displays the corresponding HTML file there. So it's using the correct dependencies of that file, including CSS files, JavaScript files, etc. And you'll see how to do this in the project. Now, another important features of these projects is that you can reorder your folders and files by name, size, or last modified. So if I click on the name header, then this will reorder the elements alphabetically. Okay, if I click again, it will just reverse the order. Now you can do the same thing for the size, either increasing or decreasing. So now you can see the bigger or the biggest folders first, or folders or files first, and then going down to the smallest ones. And last modified as well. Okay, to build this project, you're going to use a wide range of Node built-in modules. So one of these modules is going to be HTTP, which you will use to create a server. You will also use it to accept user requests and respond to them. You will also use the HTTPS module, which is the HTTP protocol over TLS SSL. So you will use it to get JSON data from an external link which uses HTTPS. So you will do this at some point in the project. You will also use the child processes module, which is also a built-in module in Node. So this module will help you run shell commands directly from your Node code. So at some point you will need to get the size of directories. So this is something that is not straightforward in Node. So this is something that you will do using shell commands. So to do that, you will need the child processes module. So you will get the output of the command and then use it inside your app. Now there is another module you will need in this project, is the path module. So the path module will help you manipulate paths in an easy way without having to worry too much about how to resolve or concatenate paths, as this module comes with strong features designed mainly for that purpose. So paths are very important in this project because you're going to be dealing with them quite a lot, and you will need to print the path right there, and also you need to read files using their path. Okay, another module you will need is the file system module. So this is an important module in this project, which will not only help you read data on the server and pass it to the HTTP response, it will also help you create readable streams. So for example, when you are streaming videos, you will need to create a readable stream, meaning that you will be sending chunks of data to the user instead of sending the whole file. So the streams send small chunks of data to the HTTP response to reduce memory usage. So this will help a lot, especially with large files like videos. Okay. I hope that you're now excited to start this fantastic project. So in the next video, you're going to start building the skeleton and decoration of the app before diving into the logic of the app.